Hello everyone, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can create and verify a Gate account on mobile. Gate is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell and trade various digital cryptocurrency and assets. To start using the platform, you will need to create an account and complete the verification process. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step, take you through the entire process from downloading the app to completing the verification steps. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. So the first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, then go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device, then go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store to open it up since I'm using an Android device. Now the next step you have to take is to tap on the search icon at the bottom. Let me tap on it. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in Gate, or you can type in gate.io. Whichever one will be okay. They are all the same. So let me tap on search. Right there, guys, you can see the Gate.io logo right there. You can see the app. So let me tap on it to open up the web page. Let me tap on it. You can see it more clearly right there. Gate.io, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, the next step you have to take now in order to get this app into your phone is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on it right away. It's going to start downloading now. You can see it right there. It's loading up. It's downloading already. So let's just wait a few seconds. Then after that, we're going to go over to the next step. You can see it's downloading. It's going to get downloaded now in a few seconds. You can see it's loading up. It's downloading. Right there, guys, you can see it has gotten to 98, 99, then 100%. Now it has started installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. It's going to get installed now. My internet connection isn't that strong, but let's just be patient. Wow, guys, can see now the Gate app has been installed. So what I can do now is to open up the app, and I can do that by tapping on where you can see open on the right hand side. So let me tap on open right away. So guys, can see the Gate app is opening now. We are going to be able now to create our account right now. Oh, the page is still loading. Still loading up. You can see what's written there, allow Gate.io to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see login/sign up. You can see it down there at the bottom. So let me tap on it. Right here, guys, you can see what's written there at the top, login. But this video is about to create a Gate account. So let's tap on where you can see create a Gate account down there. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Let me tap on it. Right there, you can see welcome to Gate. Right here, guys, you can either create your account using your email or your phone number. You can see it right there at the top. Email is being selected, but let me tap on the phone number now, so you can see that you can actually use your phone number. You can see it. So what you have to do is to select your country code and input your phone number. But let me go back to the email. I want to use my email. Email is the most preferred for me, and I recommend that for you as well. So let me tap on email real quick. Then let me input my email address right away. Let me type it in. So make sure you input your email address correctly so you don't experience any error. Now the next step now is to input referral code. You can see it's written referral code right there. Let me tap on it now. Right here, guys, this is where you're going to do me a favor. By using my referral code, you're going to get a reward that is worth over $500. So guys, go ahead to use my referral code. You can see it right there on the screen. Like I said, you're going to be receiving a reward, and also I'm going to be receiving a reward as well. So it's going to be a win-win for both of us. And also you're going to be receiving a 50% commission on all your trading fees on this platform. So go ahead to use my referral code. You're going to be getting a lot of benefit from it. Guys, let me input the referral code right away. You can see it right there on the screen. So after you're done inputting the referral codes, then you're good to go. Now the next step you have to take now is to accept the user agreement and privacy policy of Gate. You can see that box right there on the left hand side. You have to tick it. So let me go ahead now to tick it to accept the user agreement and privacy policy. Now you can see I've ticked it. Now the next step you have to take now is to go ahead now to tap on sign up. So let me tap on sign up right away. You can see it's loading up. It's still loading. Let's wait. Right here, you have to complete this puzzle. So what you have to do now is to slide that puzzle to the right hand side to complete the puzzle. So let me slide it right away. You can see it right there. Let me slide it and then let go. You can see, guys, verification success. You can see it's loading. Yeah, guys, is the next step. You can see what's written there, verify your email. And what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email inbox to get the code that has been sent to my email. Let me go back. Let me go over to my Gmail app now to get the code that has been sent to my email. You can see the email right there. Let me tap on it now to open it so I can get the code. You can see the email has opened up. You can see it right there. That's the code. So let me highlight it right away and copy it. Let me highlight it. Then let me tap on copy. You can see I've copied it. So let me go back now to the Gate.io platform. Then what I'm going to do now is to paste the code that I've copied. Let me paste it. You can see, wow guys, immediately you can see the next step. It says set your password. So guys, you have to set a very strong password that you can easily remember and that no one can easily guess. And make sure your password has an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and also numbers and symbols to make it strong. So I've repeated mine, so let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see confirm. Let me tap on confirm now so I can proceed. You can see guys, it's loading up. Wow, successfully registered. Now I've been able now to create a gate.io account. Now the next step now is to verify your identity. You can see it right there, verify your identity. So what you have to do now is to select your residence and your nationality. As you can see there, mine has already been selected, but let me tap on residence. You can see now what you have to do now is to choose within this option your residence, where you're residing right now, the country you're residing right now, and also you have to choose your nationality. Let me tap on it right away and drop that icon. You have to choose your country of birth. So guys, what you have to do now is to select yours. As you can see, mine has already been selected. Now the next step is to select your ID type. We have three ID type: national ID card, passport, and driver's license. I want to use my ID card, so let me tap on ID card. Then let me go ahead now to tap on next. You can use whichever ID card that you have. Let me tap on next real quick. Then what you have to do right here now is to provide your basic information like your first name, your last name, and your document ID, which is your identity number. Make sure you provide them and make sure you input the right information. Let me go ahead now to input mine. You can see I've inputted my last name, my first name, and also my national identity number. So what I can do now is to tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right here is the next step. You have to upload the image of your ID card, the front and the back of your ID card, and make sure they are not cropped. Make sure there's no blur and glare on the ID card picture that you take or that you upload. So let me tap on I am ready down there. Make sure the picture you're uploading are clear and are visible. So let me tap on I am ready. Right here is the next step. So you have to upload your ID card front and your ID card back. So let me upload the back of my ID card. Let me tap on the plus icon, upload. Let me tap on it. So right here you can either take a photo with your camera or you can choose a photo from your gallery. So guys, let me choose from my gallery. Let me use the second option in this uploading. Let me tap on choose from gallery real quick. You can see the notification. It says allow gate.io to access photos and videos on this device. So let me tap on allow. You can see guys that directed me to my gallery. So let me select the back of my ID card photo. Let me select it real quick. Let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's uploading, it's loading up. Let's just wait a few seconds. The back of the ID card is going to be uploaded. Wow guys, you can see uploaded successfully. So now let me upload the front of my ID card. Let me tap on take a photo. This time around I want to use my camera to take the photo of my ID card. Let me position my camera very well so that it captures the details of the ID card, my face, and all of the information in it. Then let me take it, then let me tap on good. Wow guys, can see now the front of my ID is loading up. It's gonna, wow guys, can see uploaded successfully. Now I've been able now to upload the front of my ID card and the back. So let me tap on next to go over to the next step. Can see guys, it's loading up, it's loading. Then right here now is the face verification. They say I should hold the camera and put my face in the frame. So let me do that real quick. My face is now on the frame. You can see guys, it's verifying my face. This is the face recognition step. This is a very important step to be sure that you're actually the owner of the account. Wow guys, can see it's loading up. Let's just wait. Wow guys, can see KYC status updated. Thanks for choosing Gate. Under review, you will be notified via email or direct message once the review is completed. Guys can see it right there. So the estimated time is about 10 minutes. So let me tap on got it. Let me go back now to the home page. Then let me tap on confirm now to choose my region. Let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see my gate.io account is opening again. So let me tap on my profile icon at the top to check if my profile has been verified, if my identity has been verified. So let me tap on it real quick. Wow guys, in less than 2 minutes my account has been verified. You can see it right there, verified. You can see it there written in green color. Let me tap on the profile to open it up. Then what I will do now is to tap on where you can see KYC identity verification. Let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, can see it right there, verified. So this is how you can be able to create and verify your Gate account on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful. Bye.